Hey folks, got another really cool truck for you here today, and wait till you see this one, and I'm telling you, I don't see them like this. It's a 1968 Chevy C10 long bed, and get this, the owner, Jerome, who's here with me, has had this for 44 years. Wow, and you started the restoration back in 2009?
This final restoration started in 2009.
And then it was probably pretty much done?
Finished it out in 2011.
Now, this paint, folks, I hope this video shows you the quality of this paint, but that was done by a gentleman here in Denver.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, you said it was like you guys took it all the way down to the metal.
Yeah, the complete body was plastic media blasted.
Wow. So now let's talk about the motor. 350 Chevy fuel injection.
It's a 350 Chevy 4-bolt main, 10.5 to 1 compression pistons, aluminum heads, roller cam, comp roller cam.
Around here a little bit. It is
roller
gorgeous.
rockers, an Edlebrock air gap manifold. It has a Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it, headers, MSD.
And you've got a transmission cooler.
It's got a brand new transmission cooler, new radiator. All that bolts up to a 700 R4 transmission with the B&M Pro-Stick shifter.
Folks, this truck just lines up really nice. Now, there's a bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. This truck's located in Denver. My name is Eric. I'm helping Jerome with just marketing this truck. Let's talk about this interior, because I'll tell you folks, the seat is super comfortable, and you had another gentleman that did this here in Denver also, custom did this.
Yes, he did all the complete interior. He did the carpet, the seats, door panels. Everything was has material for sound deadening and heat coming through the door for the floor pan, and noise reduction on the door panels.
I'm telling you, the molding and everything is just really nice. And you've got these custom gauges in here.
Yeah, they're aftermarket odometer gauges and a tack. The dash has been replaced, so it's a new dash. And you have the electronic fuel injection monitor system.
Right, which is right here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a screen, so it allows you to tell what's going on.
Correct.
And you had this shifter put in.
Yes,
And
it's 700 R4, so it's has the overdrive to it.
And then you were telling me about this box that you put back here underneath the... Folks, I hope I can see this, but there's a box back in here underneath the... All right, so I got, like I said, I got a bunch more pictures, and that's for what now?
So the box is actually the FI FiTech injection fuel pump. So it has all new fuel lines, filters, and everything has been replaced and put onto the truck.
Boy, this undercarriage is really nice, and you put on these extra suspension bars.
Yeah, so it has CPP rear and front sway bars on the truck. The rear end is a 12-bolt with 373 gears.
Wow. Now you've got front disc brakes and drum brakes in the back.
Correct.
Now, folks, wait till you see this. Hopefully this is showing up on the video here, but this is all finished oak wood in here. And I'm telling you, it looks gorgeous. You guys did a really neat job with this.
Thank you.
And then you've got a kind of a custom top here.
So it has it's an aluminum frame and a Sombra tonic cover. So there's no holes into the body, and the frame connects inside the bed and can be removed if wanted, if so desired.
I've never seen a top like this. This is custom, that's for sure. Again, folks, this truck's located in Denver, Colorado. We're gonna start it up and take you around the parking lot here, but just a beautiful looking. What kind of gold paint is this?
It's a gold pearl with a white base that also has gold pearl that shines through it.
Yeah, hopefully you can see this, because it really shows nice. Let's start her up. Whew, this is a fun truck. Wow. Bunch more pictures on my website, folks, nextstepprosales.com. Oh, that's a nice sound. What kind of exhaust system is this?
It's a 2.5-inch aluminum exhaust with Magnaflow mufflers.
Ooh. nice quiet sleeper sound to it, but I bet if you jump on it, here it goes. Oh, that's smooth. Super smooth. Let's just keep going. Yeah. Go up the street here and people get a feel. I'm telling you folks, I wish you could feel this cushioned seat because it's very comfortable. So why are you selling this?
Had it for 44 years and maybe looking for something new.
Time for a new toy maybe?
Maybe a new toy.
Okay folks, bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. Appointment, our showings are by appointment, so give us at least a 48-hour notice. If you're looking for financing, check out Credit Union of Denver. They do a real good job. Well, this ride's really nice.
That's great.
And with that extra suspension that you guys did, I could definitely, I bet you feel it when you turn.
Oh yeah, it's got all new ball joints. It's got CPP, drop spindles, new springs, front and rear, new gas shocks front and rear.
You guys basically did everything.
Yeah, we went from one end to the other.
Wow. All right, folks, my name is Eric. Catch me at 720-660-3062. Again, bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. Thanks for watching. And I'm telling you, I like this truck.